Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the HLG Propagator lights. We're going to unbox these and take a little closer look at them. We did a video about these lights and their performance here not too long ago. We did a really nice comparison, we think anyway, of how these lights perform versus others. So you can check that at one of the cards up here on the corner, whichever side that might be. Also down in the description, and I'm probably going to pin that video also in the comments for you, so if you want to check that out. But for right now, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's in here. We ordered 4 of these, so hopefully there's actually 4 in here, but we'll be just as surprised as you all are, I suppose. Get that cut open. All right. Yep, there's 4 in here. Good deal. Let's get these other ones out of the way. Let's go ahead and open up this box here as well. My knife skills are not so great at the moment. Packaged up pretty good. Don't really have to worry about getting these damaged in the mail, freight, UPS system, whatever you want to call it. All right. Got your power cord here. And here we are. Now we're getting into it. First of all, we have, of course, the power cord right there. Then we have some hangers in here. If you wanted to hang them up by these, we were going to actually use cable ties is what we're going to use. Zip ties, whatever you like to call them. So you have some hangers there that come in the box. Also have a little bit of literature here that goes along with the light. This kind of shows you a little bit about what's happening there. Nice to have some instructions. I know that some products I purchased don't have any instructions whatsoever, and that's kind of annoying sometimes. But you know, who looks at instructions anyway? And here we have the light. And there we are. One of the Propagator bars right there, as you can see, it's a single string of LED lights. These mounts right here, you can slide back and forth to put wherever you'd like to. We will be putting these all the way on the end for our uses here. All the way at the very end. And now let's see here. The way these things come together, as far as hooking up the power, you take these 2 pieces right here, put them together, and there's a little blue piece right here, and you lock it in, that way they can't come apart. Of course, then you can daisy chain to the other light right here with the same type of connector if you needed to. There's some cool things about this light. This is really heavy duty cord. It's really, really nice. It's really stiff, which can be a little bit problematic when you're trying to hang it, but you just have to deal with it. It's just a nice cord because it's nice and thick. You don't have to worry about that getting damaged over time. And these are a 4,000 Kelvin light. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and plug them up and see how bright they are. So there they are right there. I'm probably blowing out the exposure on the camera, but quite nice, quite bright. And these are just for growing starts on your plants. This is not for a full grow, it's just for the beginning stages. Go ahead and get these unplugged. And of course, there are 2 in a package, so you get 2 lights instead of just 1 in a package there. So definitely want to keep note of that. Well, now let's do like we said in the last video. Let's go down to the basement, get the other lights out of the way. Go ahead and get these set up and see how things look. We'll see you down there. We're going to go ahead and start taking these microgreens off and whatever else is on this shelf. Get these lights off and go at it. We do have one on the very top that's set up differently. We're going to have to build a different way. But so you'll get to see us install 3 of these sets of lights, at least for right now. Well, let's get to it. Well, now we have everything off. We're going to install the other 3 sets of propagators. We do have this set here that's still there. We didn't take that off because that's the lights we're going to use here. So let's get to installing the rest of them. Alrighty, the other 3 sets are installed. Like I was saying, the top rack, we've got to do something a little bit different, but that's not even in the shot anyway, so we'll deal with that later. As you can tell, quite a bit of a difference there with the light. Well, let's go ahead and get the plants back over here on the rack and see what the difference might be.
Sounds good.
Which we already know the difference because we made a video about that previous to this video, so go check that one out.
Super excited.
All right, and there we have it. Everything's back on here, and the nice thing about this now is that we have 4 more spots on the top, one there for a total of 6 additional spots to grow things, because as you probably saw in the last video, hopefully, we're having to turn things 90 degrees to work with the lights. So this is gonna be way better. It's gonna improve efficiency for space, grow time, grow quality. It's gonna be really nice. So we're looking forward to hopefully getting another rack like this in the future. Not gonna be right now, but here sometime in the future. We'll see how it goes. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, thumbs up. Also give it a subscribe if you'd like to. It's your choice. But that's where we're going to end this one off for today. I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you very much.